So let's start today with liver blood deficiency. This problem can be treated using the acupuncture points REN 14, UB 15, the front mu and back points of the heart. So after 3 sessions, these points are substituted by heart 9 and SI3, or these are the tonification points. So another point we should also use is bladder 17, which is the influential point for blood. Another point is spleen 10, or the sea of blood, and gallbladder 39, which is the influential point for the marrow. Points for liver blood deficiency are points to nourish and synthesize blood. And as heart makes blood, the tonification points of heart and small intestine are used here. The influential points of marrow is used because bone marrow makes blood. Okay. So for liver and urinary bladder, or NTCM, the uterus, the uterus NTCM is the urinary bladder. For the blood stagnation in these organs, we use bladder 18 and bladder 28, the back points of the liver and the urinary bladder to improve function. We also use GB 37 and bladder 58, the loop connecting points of the gallbladder and the urinary bladder to sedate yin and tonify the yang. Another point we could use is LI4. This point is the great eliminator. This helps in bleeding and removes stagnation. We could also do paravertebral tapping with plum blossom needle from lumbar 4 to sacrum 4. This is 1 centimeter lateral to the midline, vertically from top to bottom until red skin reaction. Okay. For spleen Qi deficiency, since this is against spotting of blood, only 1 point is needed. So we can moxa spleen 1 with spiropecking method. And this could be done on both feet for about 6 minutes. So for kidney yin and yang deficiency, we could also use REN 3 and bladder 28, the front mu and back points of the urinary bladder, in kidney 7 and bladder 67, the tonification points, also spleen 6 and stomach 36 to tonify organs of the earth element. So for liver yin and yang deficiency, we use liver 14, bladder 18, the mu and shu points of the liver. This point should be replaced after 3 sessions by liver 8 and gallbladder 43 as tonification points. These points are also, we could also use the symptomatic points for dysmenorrhea. We could also use spleen 8 and spleen 6. If kidney and liver are both yin and yang deficient, it would be sufficient to concentrate on tonifying the kidneys. As the mother organ, it would then nourish the liver. Okay.